The Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app offers a variety of remote functions that help keep you in touch with your vehicle. An active Genesis Connected Services or GCS account is required to use the Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app. All new Genesis vehicles can be enrolled in GCS by registering at owners.genesis.com. After registering, you can download the Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app on the Apple iOS or Google Play app stores. After logging into the app, you will see a home screen with your vehicle status information and a variety of control icons. Climate Start and Stop enables remote engine start with presets for the climate control system, as well as remote engine off. EV owners can start or stop charging remotely through the app and activate battery preconditioning. Lights and Horn provides remote headlamp and horn features, which can be useful for locating your vehicle in crowded parking areas. Locate Vehicle provides a GPS map view of where your vehicle is located. You can also manage or enroll into Genesis Pay through the mobile app. For select EVs, a prompt will appear on the home screen, allowing you to enroll in an EV charging subscription, which is required to charge at Tesla Supercharger stations. Tapping Vehicle Status on the home page will provide an overview of your vehicle's engine, door lock, and location status. The Utilities menu can be accessed by pressing the 3-line icon on the bottom left of the home page. This menu lets you view and edit your profile, app settings, vehicle health, and set up digital key. The Car Care menu includes a wide range of vehicle health features, such as owner resources, monthly reports, and dealership scheduling. Through the Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app, you can also search for POIs, such as gas stations or EV charging stations. Once the desired destination is located, you can send the location to your vehicle and begin your route to the desired destination. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.